PCBs are the basis of all electronic products, the main component of technological innovation. EDADOC is leading the wave of high-speed PCB design, empowering every corner of the world by providing one-stop PCB services. In 2003, EDADOC was established as a solution in the era of development. With a start in PCB design, we now provide one-stop hardware innovation services for the PCBA manufacturing of core control boards. EDADOC's mission is to further our clients' R&D and address production pain points. We help our customers improve product quality, accelerate the research and development process, and shorten their product launch cycle. Deeply cultivated in the field of PCB design, we know that every PCB design affects product quality. As a leading high-speed and high-density, large-scale PCB design center in the industry, EDADOC shoulders the responsibility of promoting Chinese design and innovation. We have built a strict quality assurance system comprised of self-inspections, mutual reviews, and team reviews. From package building to rule-driven layout and routing to project file output, we strictly control all aspects of the design process. Our high-speed PCB design team of over 600 engineers complete more than 10,000 PCB designs every year. By helping our customers succeed in one-board design, we enhance the market competitiveness of products. At EDADOC, we embrace the PCB industry's cutting-edge technology and have an industry-leading SI simulation and testing team. We carefully study the physical rules of high-speed PCB design and combine them with strict simulation testing.